In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce or remove ads from the Chai AI app and make your experience much smoother. So let's get started. The first and most effective method is to subscribe to Chai AI Premium. When you take a subscription, all ads are completely removed from the app. Not only that, you also get extra features and a smoother chatting experience without interruptions. Now the second method is using an app called Ad Blocker. First, install the Ad Blocker app on your device. After installing, open it and enable protection. Once it is activated, it will start blocking many ads inside apps, including Chai AI. But keep in mind, this method is not 100% perfect. Some ads may still appear, but it will reduce them a lot. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel,